Welcome to our Grade 5 Science Chapter 5, Incredible India, Diversity, Unity, and National Pride. We'll experience India's unique beauty, rich diversity, and its meaningful development, setting global examples. The traditional Indian belief in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one family, is reflected in its socio-cultural practices. The Republic Day, the flag, and the Constitution. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year. Schools across India celebrate this day by unfurling the tricolor flag to the rhythm of drums and claps, followed by the singing of the national anthem with unity and pride. A larger national celebration is observed in the Delhi Parade, which showcases the Indian Defense Forces, Army, Navy, Air Force, and paramilitary, along with cultural programs and vibrant state tableau. India became independent on August 15, 1947, and subsequently, on January 26, 1950, adopted a special set of rules called the Constitution to ensure smooth governance, safety, and happiness, defining the meaning of being a republic. Now let's explore national symbols like the emblem and currency notes. National symbols are created to remind us of our identity and to instill national pride. The national emblem of India features 3 circular lions standing on a platform. This emblem represents strength, courage, and confidence, and includes the Ashoka chakra below the lions. Let's study the Indian currency note. Observe its value, color, the languages written on it, and the monument symbols. You'll find 2 images of Mahatma Gandhi on the note, a visible image, and a smaller hidden image that you can only see when you hold the note up to the light. The note also features tiny round spectacles. These spectacles symbolize the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India mission. Let's dive into India's vibrant culture, languages, and diversity. There is diversity everywhere in India, and more visibly in clothing and art forms. Let's take various headgears worn across India. The Rajasthani pagri, or safa, alone has thousands in style, size, and color which vary across the region for various occasions, signifying social status, caste, and identity. Then we have Talai Pagai or Mundasu in Tamil Nadu, Topi in Himachal Pradesh, Feta in Maharashtra, Sikh turban or Pagri in Punjab, etc., signifying respective symbols of tradition and cultural. More than 1,000 languages are spoken across India, each with its own language, history, regional expressions, food, clothing, songs, and dances. Its music, dance, and other art forms used for celebrating, praying, and sharing stories are unique to each state and influenced by its local culture and practices. Finally, we explore how tradition meets modernity in India. The nation honors its rich history and cultural practices like Ayurveda, yoga, and meditation, while simultaneously embracing the future with modern advancements. From our scientists launching rockets, farmers adopting technology, and modern conveniences like faster trains and digital payments, these are viewed as adding new colors to tradition rather than replacing it. Now for some exciting supplementary facts about India. The saffron band stands for strength and courage. The white middle band stands for peace and truth. The blue Ashoka chakra in the center represents duty, dharma, and the green band stands for growth and prosperity. India operates the world's largest postal network. It developed Aadhaar, the world's biggest digital ID system, used by over 99% of adults in India. It's home to the world's largest cricket stadium, the Narendra Modi Stadium, which has a seating capacity of 132,000 spectators. The world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, is a towering 182 meters, almost double that of the Statue of Liberty, which is 93 meters tall. India's UPI is the world's largest digital payment system. In 2023, it processed more than 10 billion transactions a month. India is the world's largest democracy, something we can all be very proud of. India's constitution is noted as the longest written constitution of any country in the world. India has made many efforts to be inclusive. One such example is some currency notes designed with raised prints and symbols for people with visual impairment, and the Money app helps them identify the notes through listening and feeling the vibrations. Lions, which once roamed freely across vast areas of India, are now only found in the Gir forests of Gujarat, having been saved from near extinction through conservation efforts. India also holds the distinction of having the world's second largest road network. This extensive network, which stretches over 6 million kilometers, includes national highways, state highways, district roads, rural roads, and urban roads, all playing a crucial role in connecting the vast and diverse nation.